Hi, amazing mommies and daddies. Are you someone who is still calling your boy or a girl or a bad boy? Hi, I am Shweta Mandevar, a parent coach and a mother to a vibrant 5-year-old. And I am going to tell you a little story today that is going to change your perception towards labeling a child bad or good. So here it goes. Yesterday morning, my son, 5-year-old, and my sister-in-law, they were talking on the phone. They were having a conversation on a video call. She has a beautiful 2-year-old, and she, like most of the mothers out there, said to my son, Uvi is being a bad girl, Arav. Tell her to listen to me. She is becoming a bad girl. She is not listening to me. She is crying all the time. She is not eating what I gave her. And when she was saying that out of concern, my son was clenching. I saw his body, his expressions change, and I just noticed him. I didn't interrupt because that was not my place to talk. It was the conversation between those two. So I didn't say anything. After the conversation was done, he was just sitting there and I asked him, Arav, what's the matter, baby? Did something happen there? I saw your expressions, your body change a little. And he was instantly replied. He just instantly replied, Mama, I didn't feel good. It didn't feel good in my body. I said, why? What happened? So he said, when Bua called Ovi a bad girl, it felt really bad. I said, why did it feel bad? He said, you told me na mama, you never call me bad boy. You always say, I am a good boy having a hard time. So is she. She is having a hard time. She is not a bad girl. Listen to this empathy. Listen to this level of understanding and compassion. His Bua was calling him a good boy. She was saying, you are a good boy. Tell her to be like you. And he was not listening any of that. He concentrated on being empathetic towards his cousin sister. My sister-in-law did not mean any wrong in saying that she's a bad girl, because this is what we have been saying from years, right? She was not wrong there, but she just didn't knew. But Arav knew, because I have been empathetic towards him. Every time he threw a tantrum or he was crying for something, I told him, first thing first, I know you are a good boy, just having a hard time. And that ingrained in his brain, and his application of that logic towards another person, that just blew my mind. It melted my heart. And I was feeling on the seventh sky. I felt like jumping up and down. But as I told you, I did not give those expression on my face. I held my horses. I was calm. And I told him, and I asked him actually, Arav, why didn't you tell that to your Bua then? And he was like, I didn't know how to tell her. I just said one sentence, just tell her what you just told me. The next day when they were on a call again, he just remembered that on his own. He said, Bua, I didn't feel very good about you calling Ovi a bad girl. Bua, she is not a bad girl. She is just having a hard time. Remember, this sentence is coming out of a 5-year-old's mouth. Look at the power your words have on a child's mind. And when he said that to his Bua, he added something else. He said, Bua, she just needs you. How are you not blown away? Because I am. What I want you to take away from this story is, labeling a child bad or good will have a really big impact on their life. Second thing, when you show empathy, you show compassion, it always grows inside them. So be empathetic with your child when they are having hard times, when they are throwing tantrums, when they are not listening to you. Just take a step back and know that there is something going on with them that is not their cup of tea. They are just having a hard time. Give me a thumbs up if you like this story. Tell me in the comments what are your takeaways from this. and share it with someone who may need to hear this, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.